Introducing Masterkey, the world's first instant laptop and projector that fits in your pocket. Use Masterkey at work. A simple press of the button gives you an instant virtual laser keyboard and computer screen projection, allowing you to work hassle-free from anywhere. Just pair it with any smartphone and turn any flat space into a user-friendly workspace. The smart screen projection makes giving presentations a piece of cake. Masterkey's easy-to-use technology, small, portable body, and high-quality speaker will make sure the whole room can participate. Use Masterkey at play, too. Its 120-inch crystal-clear projection screen will give you the biggest movie-watching screen on the block. Bring the family together and turn any wall space into your very own home theater. Or use Masterkey to make a perfect date night in. Project your movie onto your ceiling to give you the comfiest date night you've experienced. We've been working tirelessly over the last 3 years to bring this revolutionary project to life. We need your help, Kickstarters, to finishing tooling so we can get Masterkey delivered to your door. Wherever you go, let Masterkey make your life easier. Please back us today.